Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you yarn balls which I have just ordered for baby caps. I have ordered 4 balls. 2 of them are of 100 gram and same colors are of 50 grams. So I will be sharing the details of this yarn with you. The first one is Nako, which is a Turkish brand, and this is Elite Baby yarn ball, which is very soft, and I have ordered this one for baby boy hat. You can make any type of hat. Different patterns can be made with this yarn. It's a 100 gram ball which is 250 meter long. Now this is visible. You can see all the detailed description which is added on the label. Needle size is also mentioned, and width and length of patch which can be made with this yarn is also mentioned on this label. This is a very soft yarn, and I will make tutorial videos with this yarn and share with you final products as well. And this next one is Alize, which is also a Turkish brand. This is baby best of Alize yarn, very attractive color, and this one is also 100 gram 3.53 oz and 240 meters long, and this one is also acrylic, but this one is 90% acrylic and 10% bamboo is added in this yarn, and this one is also very soft and very attractive, very suitable for baby as well. So I will make baby hats for baby girls with this yarn. And now the next one is also Nako brand, but this one is Super Baby. Previous one which I have shown earlier in the video was Elite Baby, and this one is Super Baby. This is a 50 gram ball, and I have ordered 2 balls of this yarn. All detailed descriptions are mentioned on this label. You can see 180 meters long and very soft and very lightweight. I will use this one to make baby girl hat. You can use this color for baby boys as well, but more suitable for baby girls. So I will make baby girl hat with this one. You can make different types of beanies, and you can make hats, brim hats, sun hats, and other different kinds of hats. Slouchy hats can be made with this yarn. So it is up to you. You can use different kinds of patterns, and these yarn balls would be perfect for any type of hat. One ball is enough for larger size of hat, and if you are making simple beanie with just one crochet flower in 100 gram ball, you can make 2 hats easily. So if you like all of these yarns, you can buy them all from different online stores like Amazon, and you can visit different local stores as well. In many of the countries this yarn is available, so you can purchase them and make super cute and attractive patterns for your babies. I will use this yarn for baby hats, but you can make other different crochet baby projects with this yarn as well. So let me know in the comments in which project would you use these kinds of yarn. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.